New this morning, a warning to those of you who use energy drinks. As 2 News reporter Patricia Santos tells us, the Food and Drug Administration is investigating several deaths that may be connected with one popular brand. Patty?
Well, you can pick up Monster energy drinks at any convenience store around town or anywhere, but could having too much of this cost you your life? That is what a Maryland woman claims in her lawsuit against the makers of the Monster energy drinks. The woman's 14-year-old daughter died about 10 months ago after a severe reaction to the drink. She's said to have had two 24-ounce cans in succession before slipping into a coma. Now, each can contains about 240 milligrams of caffeine. The FDA is investigating 5 cases where people died after consuming the drink. The company denies claims that drinking 2 cans can cause caffeine toxicity and lead to death. The Maryland woman wants to use her tragedy as a wake-up call.
They need to be regulated. They regulate ice. They regulate Band-Aids.
Now, the Maryland teen did have a common heart defect, and she was under the strict restrictions by her doctor. It is unclear if the other incidents involved alcohol or any other factors that could have led to those deaths. Now, several other states have unsuccessfully tried to ban the sale of these to minors. Oklahoma, however, has not tried to do that. Live in Midtown, Patricia Santos, 2 News works for you.